Welcome to my channel. Today, we diving deep into the profound insights shared in the top 10 best-selling book, The Greatness Guide by Sharma. This isn't your typical self-help book. It's a roadmap to becoming the best version of yourself. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 golden nuggets from the book that have the potential to transform your life. And here's a little secret. As we go through these lessons, pay close attention. Lesson 1. Walk through the window of opportunity even when it scares you. Greatness is rarely comfortable. The first lesson hits us with the hard truth about pursuing greatness. It often means venturing into uncharted territories, embracing the unknown with open arms. But here's the catch. It scares us. Fear is the enemy of greatness. While fear is a natural human response, the author challenges us to confront it head. Most people retreat when discomfort shows up, but that's exactly where transformation lives. Run toward your fears. Growth lives on the other side of resistance. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take action. Speak up in meetings, even if your voice shakes. Travel somewhere new, even if you're unsure of the language. Try something bold, even if you feel inadequate. Courage is the door to opportunity. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Embrace the fear and step through the window of opportunity. It might just lead you to your greatest adventure yet. Lesson 2. Nothing fails like success. As we continue our journey through the wisdom of the Greatness Guide, the second lesson serves as a reminder about the pitfalls of complacency. Many people and organizations stop doing the very things that made them great in the first place. Complacency is the silent killer of greatness. When you reach a milestone or achieve a level of success, don't become complacent. Stay hungry, stay humble, keep leveling up. Success should never lead to stillness. It should inspire renewed effort and deeper service. Remember the giants who once dominated their fields but fell due to complacency. Don't let this be your story. Instead, let your journey be marked by continuous improvement and a commitment to excellence. Lesson 3. Be a rock star at work. Now let's shift our focus to excellence in the workplace. In today's world, it's easy to get lost in the crowd, blending into the background. But the message of the Greatness Guide is clear. Stand out, shine brightly. Don't just show up, give your all. Bring passion, creativity, and presence into your work. Excellence isn't about a title. It's about how you show up every single day. The author challenges us to be rock stars in our professional lives, leaving a lasting impact through our work. So ask yourself, are you just present or are you truly engaged? Are you putting your unique stamp on your work? Because remember, that's where greatness begins. In the details, in the passion, in the pursuit of perfection. Make your work a masterpiece. That's how greatness is built. Lesson 4. Your days define your life. We often hear people say, I'm too busy. But as we learn from the Greatness Guide, busyness is not the same as productivity. And even less is it the same as creating a fulfilling life. Your future is unfound in the distant someday. It is shaped by the choices you make today. It's easy to fall into the trap of postponing your dreams and aspirations, thinking they'll magically materialize someday in the hazy realm of the future. But here's the wake-up call from Sharma. Your life is defined by your days. Stop waiting for someday and start living intentionally today. Every moment is a seed. What are you planting today? Break free from the shackles of procrastination and seize each day. Embrace the power of small habits that compound into powerful results. Remember, greatness isn't a destination. It's a series of steps taken daily. Lesson 5. Be a lifelong learner. In a world that's constantly evolving, the importance of continuous learning cannot be overstated. Every leader is a reader. Every master is a student. To thrive and lead, you must commit to lifelong learning. Learning isn't confined to classrooms or specific ages. It's a lifelong companion. Your thirst for knowledge should quench an unquenchable fire within you. The wisdom you absorb today becomes the toolkit you rely on tomorrow. Dedicate time each day to read, reflect deeply on the material, and apply the lessons you learn. Let reading not be a pastime, but a catalyst for growth. Remember, some of the most successful individuals you admire have likely amassed a wealth of knowledge through countless hours of reading. Embrace the power of ideas and fuel your mind daily. Your future self will thank you. Lesson 6. Get some skin in the game. The sixth lesson encourages us to move beyond mere planning and into action. A common pitfall is the tendency to play it safe, to avoid risks and stick to what's familiar. But here's the challenge. Playing it safe may keep you secure, but it will never make you soar. Greatness often lies on the other side of calculated risks. Yes, there's a risk in going after your dreams. There's also risk in not trying. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Remember, even the most successful individuals have faced setbacks. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. So if you yearn for uncommon results, you must be willing to take uncommon risks. Embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and stay committed to your goals. It's in the arena of risk that true greatness is forged. Lesson 7. Make time to think. In our fast-paced world filled with distractions, taking the time to think deeply can seem like a luxury. But here's the perspective shift from the Greatness Guide. Thinking is a superpower. Make time to pause, reflect, and plan. Don't sacrifice deep thinking at the altar of busyness. Innovation, clarity, and breakthrough come from solitude and stillness. A busy mind rarely births brilliance. A quiet mind does. Schedule time for introspection, for brainstorming, for envisioning your future. This isn't a waste of time. It's an investment in your growth. Remember, some of the most groundbreaking ideas came to those who dared to disconnect from the noise and tune into their inner selves. Lesson 8. Leadership begins on the extra mile. Here's a hard truth from the Greatness Guide. Ordinary people do what's expected. Great leaders do what's exceptional. Leadership isn't about a position or a title. It's about making a difference. The extra mile is where the magic happens. It's where you'll find fewer people, but greater rewards. Go further than others. Serve deeper. Push beyond average. And remember, leadership isn't a solo journey. It's about lifting others, inspiring teams, and moving mountains together. So if you aspire to lead, start by stepping onto the extra mile. That's where your journey begins. Lesson 9. Anchor to powerful reference points. Our actions and behaviors are greatly influenced by our internal compasses. We tend to gravitate towards what we admire and emulate those we respect. The key, as highlighted in the Greatness Guide, is to anchor yourself to powerful reference points. These can be inspiring models, mentors, or even books and podcasts that resonate with you. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping who you become. So, surround yourself with influences that push you to be better. Choose friends whose ambitions match your own, colleagues whose work ethic inspires you, and mentors who veer walked paths similar to the one you're on. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So select your circle wisely. Lesson 10. Life lessons worth living. The final lesson from the Greatness Guide is a tapestry of wisdom, a reminder to embrace the richness of life. Here are a few threads from this vibrant tapestry to ponder upon. Be an eternal optimist. Joy is strength. Life is brimming with moments of beauty and happiness. Nurture optimism. It's a potent force against life's inevitable challenges. Value people. Relationships are your richest resource. Invest in friendships, family bonds, and meaningful connections. They'll be your support system and source of joy. Be decisive. Clarity fuels momentum. Indecisiveness saps energy. Learn to make choices confidently. Your intuition often points you in the right direction. Live with heart. Authenticity is magnetic. Be true to your values and passions. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Lead with soul. Servant leadership is a timeless virtue. Lift others, inspire teams, and leave a legacy of empowerment. Leave something that outlasts you. Your impact, your work, your kindness ripples. Aim to create something that extends beyond your physical presence. Your life's masterpiece. As we bring our journey through the Greatness Guide to a close, let's take a moment to digest these profound lessons. The path to greatness isn't always easy, but it's a path worth walking. Remember the words of the author, don't live the same year 75 times and call it a life. Use these 10 lessons as guiding stars, lighting your way toward a life that's rich, meaningful, and impactful. That concludes our exploration of the Greatness Guide. Thank you for joining me on this journey through wisdom and insight. If you found value in this content, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use some guidance on their path to greatness. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and remember, greatness is within your reach.